Hi, I'm Cassandra McClure. I'm a clean beauty artist, entrepreneur, and podcaster. And today I'm going to show you how to give yourself an at-home facial. To start, we are going to use an exfoliating cleanser. You should be cleansing and exfoliating, but this is a 2-in-1. This is a white milk thistle and elderflower cleanser from Codex Beauty. So to start, you'll just take a few drops on the tips of your fingers and gently massage your entire face until everything is covered. Make sure to avoid your eye area. So you'll want to make sure to get enough and use circular motions to really exfoliate your skin. The reason why you want to exfoliate the skin is to slough off any makeup that's on your skin, as well as the top layer of dead skin, so that your skin can be nice and radiant. Once you feel nice and exfoliated, after about 60 seconds, you can rinse with lukewarm water. I'm going to be using this croon pad. So I'll just blot this with some water and remove it just like that. And the first step is almost done. Next, we are going to do a peel. There are several peels that you can buy. There are charcoal masks, there are spray peels, but today, because we're in a hurry, we're gonna do the spray. This is from a company, Juice Beauty. To use the Stem Cellular Exfoliating Peel Spray, you will hold the bottle about a few inches from your face and spray. You'll let it sit for a second, just patting it in, making sure that it's all over your skin. Now remember, I just did an exfoliation and you're going to see even more dead skin and makeup come right off. So you'll just want to rotate your fingers in a circular motion, going across your face again. So you'll start to see little balls of dead skin and makeup that was left over from the exfoliation. Now you can remove it again using your croon. So you'll just want to clean it in some water and just rub it all in, getting everything off so that you can move on to the next step. So after your face is dry, if you have blackheads around your nose, chin, or forehead area, you'll want to get a Glycolic pad or gel. This is a brand called Elisha Marie Skin and Body. Now, I get little blackheads in my nose because I wear makeup, and dirt can naturally clog your pores even if you don't wear makeup. So if you look closely in the mirror, you might be able to see some blackheads. So you'll use a peel like this every once in a while just to really get deep inside your pores and cleanse them out. So once we are done with the pad, with the glycolic peel, then we'll rinse one more time with fresh water with a fresh croon or a sponge. You can also use a regular washcloth as well. So the next step is a really fun one. I'm gonna show you how to use a lip scrub. This is called Lip Lux. You'll just put that on your lips and just work it in, just like you did with your face, using circular motions. The sugar will start to dissolve, and that's how you know that your lips are really getting a nice exfoliation. And it's okay if it goes outside of your lips as well. Once you're done, you'll also take the croon and just remove any excess product, and we're ready for the next step. I'm going to be using a toner that's in a mist form from Juice Beauty. So you'll just hold the bottle 2 or 3 inches after you shake it away from your face, and you'll just spray gently all over your face, neck, and décolleté. So a toner actually closes back up your pores so that whatever you put on top, it doesn't get clogged again. We are going to be using a skin food moisturizer from Codex, and this is just going to lock everything in and hydrate us for the rest of the day. So I'm just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand. Again, use the same motions, circular motions all the way around my face. After applying your moisturizer, and you can also do this when you have a peel on, you can use a Jade Roller. A Jade Roller is really great because it really can help to penetrate the product into your skin. So you'll just use light upward strokes, and it comes out with this side, which is a little bit smaller for around your eye area. So for the last step, I'm going to be using my new favorite lip balm by MKC Cosmetics. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, and you can see the consistency here. It's really thick stuff. So this will last me like 6 or 8 hours. So that's how you give yourself an at-home facial. And if you have drier skin like me, you can always use an oil as well on top if you're still feeling a little dry. But this is such a great base for makeup. And if you are a makeup wearer and you're not finding that the makeup is really looking great on your skin, make sure you give yourself an at-home facial first.